Welcome to the world of precision, where straight lines aren't just a dream, they're a reality. If you've ever attempted a DIY project and ended up with walls that resemble a funhouse mirror, worry no more. In this video, we're diving into the realm of the best laser levels that will have you feeling like a pro in no time. Get ready to level up your home improvement game and say goodbye to crooked shelves. Let's find your new favorite tool. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. HYCHIKA Laser Level, our pick for best budget laser level. Are you tired of measuring, leveling, and decorating like it's a game of chance? Enter the HYCHIKA Laser Level, your new DIY sidekick that's reliable, budget-friendly, and even your non-DIY friends will envy. With its dual laser modules, you've got options galore. One click and you can toggle between cross lines, horizontal, or vertical, all while the self-leveling feature does its thing, straightening itself up in just 6 seconds. No more crooked tiles or dubious shelf placements, unless you're going for that avant-garde look. This little marvel is a 3-in-1 laser level with max visibility up to 50 feet. Perfect for hanging pictures, tiling, or transforming your living room into a masterpiece. Or at least making sure your furniture isn't in a drunken, lopsided state. And while it may not thrive outdoors like a sunflower, it'll be your best friend indoors. The compact design fits perfectly in your hand, and its IP54 rating means it's tough enough to handle the chaos of construction sites. Plus, with a battery life of over 20 hours, it's ready to take on your weekend warrior projects without needing a recharge every 5 minutes. Equipped with a magnetic support, this laser can cling to metal surfaces and rotate 360 degrees, so no angle is left unchecked. Grab the HYCHIKA Laser Level and elevate your DIY game. It's time for some seriously straight lines. Number 4. Bosch Professional GLL50-20, our pick for best compact laser level. Are you ready to take your leveling game to the next level? Meet the Bosch Professional Compact Laser Level, your new best friend on the job site. With a stylish 50 feet range, this little powerhouse is more than just a reliable tool. It's your ticket to precision and perfection. Power flexibility? Oh, you bet! The laser runs on 2 AA batteries or Bosch's revolutionary 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery for those who like to keep the job rolling without the dreaded downtime. Rain or dust, no worries. With an IP55 rating, it laughs in the face of tough job site conditions. Accuracy is its middle name, leveling within a mere 5/16 inch at 30 feet. But what's even cooler? The smart pendulum system that self-levels and winks at you when things are not square. No more eyeballing it and hoping for the best. Plus, when it's time to pack up, the lock feature has your back, ensuring safe transport. And did we mention it's a Class 2 laser? At 630 to 650 nanometers and under 5 megawatt, it's all about safety with a bright touch of brilliance. So, whether you're hanging shelves or laying down that perfect tile, the Bosch Compact Laser Level is here to make sure you do it right every time. Let's get leveling. Still searching for the perfect laser level? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DEWALT DW088K, our pick for best long-range laser level. Are you ready to elevate your DIY game to new heights? The DEWALT long-range laser level is here to make your projects not just easier, but downright enjoyable. With its rugged, overmolded housing and impressive 1 meter drop rating, this laser level can handle your toughest tasks without skipping a beat. Featuring a patented integrated magnetic bracket, it sticks around when you need it most, so you can say goodbye to awkwardly balancing it on precarious surfaces. Plus, it's water and debris resistant, boasting an IP54 rating. Rain or shine, this tool will keep working for you. Looking for accuracy? You won't be disappointed. With around 1/8 inch precision at 30 feet, it delivers results that even your most discerning friends won't scoff at. And if you really want to stretch that laser's legs, team it up with a detector to achieve an astounding range of up to 165 feet. Need a reliable companion on the job site? The DEWALT comes in a sturdy storage case, because no one likes a disorganized tool belt. Want to set it up on a tripod? It has a 1/4 inch, 20 thread mount for that too, allowing you to adjust the height for unparalleled convenience, with a Class 2 laser power output of less than or equal to 1.3 megawatt at 630 to 680 nanometer. The DEWALT long-range laser level is the perfect partner for your next project. Get ready to level up, literally. Number 2. Huepar Laser Level, our pick for best rechargeable laser level. Are you ready to revolutionize your DIY projects? Meet the Huepar Laser Level, your new best friend in precision. With its sleek design and impressive versatility, this rechargeable laser level is about to take your home improvement game to a whole new level. Equipped with 3 plane lasers, this gadget projects 1 × 360 degrees horizontally and 2 × 360 degrees vertically, ensuring no nook or cranny goes unchecked. Accuracy is your new middle name, sitting at a snug plus or minus 1/9 inch up to 33 feet. Plus, with its high brightness, switchable laser beam, you can confidently tackle even the sunniest of days without a hitch. Let's talk battery life. You won't be tethered to a wall socket with the 5200 mAh rechargeable battery that keeps you powered up for a whopping 8 hours. Whether you're charging directly, using another power device, or just loving life with the sly Type-C port, you're covered. Switch effortlessly between self-leveling for that professional touch or manual mode to unleash your inner artist, because who says you can't get creative with a laser? So, whether you're hanging pictures or aligning furniture, the Huepar Laser Level is here to be your trusty sidekick, making every project feel like a walk in the park. Grab yours and elevate your DIY skills today. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DEWALT DW089LG, our pick for best laser level overall. Are you ready to elevate your leveling game? Meet the DEWALT Laser Level, the reigning champion of precision and performance. Let's face it, nobody enjoys a wonky shelf or a crooked picture frame. With DEWALT's green beam laser technology, you'll channel your inner perfectionist as this trusty tool projects a bright, crisp line across any surface. Whether you're hanging up the latest family portrait or attempting that Pinterest-inspired wall treatment, you'll be glad you have this laser level on your side. Powered by a rechargeable 12-volt max lithium-ion battery, this little powerhouse keeps you going without the fuss of hunting for batteries when you're knee-deep in a project. Plus, with laser accuracy of plus or minus 3 mm at 10 meters, you'll have the confidence to tackle even the trickiest jobs. And let's talk versatility. The integrated magnetic bracket with 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch threads means you can stick it anywhere. Got a splash of water or the occasional miscalculated sawdust shower? Fear not! With its overmolded housing and IP65 debris water resistance, this laser level is as tough as they come. Last but not least, it features a locking pendulum that keeps everything safe inside, meaning you won't have to worry about that ever so fragile internal mechanism. So why settle for less? Get the DEWALT Laser Level and make every project a winning masterpiece. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best laser levels. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which laser level you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.